my mom didn't have any money, right? And I'm like, I got to figure out how to get some opportunity. And literally back then, I didn't have a phone. We didn't have cell phones or anything like that. Probably a good thing. I just knocked on doors.
Yeah.
And I just went, sorry, I was prejudiced about it. I went to the nicer neighborhoods with the nicer houses and just knocked on doors. Say, hey, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need, right? Something picked up, some dog poop, some weeds, whatever.
Yeah.
Right. I don't even want to get paid. I just want to figure out how to live in a neighborhood like this when I grow. It's amazing when I did that. All of a sudden people were like, come by here. We'll see if you're serious. Come by here at 6:30 tomorrow morning. Right. This guy, Merle Sacknoff, turned out to be a judge. I showed up 6:25, 5 minutes early. And here's my golf clubs. Clean my golf clubs. I'm going golf. And I cleaned his golf clubs. It was like straight out of Karate Kid, like Mr. Miyagi.
Yeah.
Right. Didn't tell me anything. Cleaned his golf clubs. He said, great, thank you so much. He's like, okay, here's the first thing you need to do. Be careful about where you work, right? And he gave me this little piece of advice. He's like, where are you working right now? And I was like, well, I was really young at the time, and I was washing dishes at the Mockingbird, and I'm like, I'm washing dishes, Judge. He's like, you got to get out of there. He says, there's nothing happening by the dishwasher except bacteria and steam. Yeah. He's like, good advice. You go tell them today. It's going to be real. This is going to be a hard sell for you because it's hard to replace dishwashers. Tell them you need to tell them you got an allergy problem with the dishwasher and you want to be a bus boy, right? Great advice and he's like, and now smile at everybody, introduce people. How's your day going? He's like, there's your advice for today, right? Cleaned his golf clubs, got a great tip, got myself out of the funk of washing dishes, but more importantly, in front of the people at the Mockingbird Inn.
Interacting with people that could.
Correct. And it's just all of that stems from little things like instead of crying and feeling sorry for yourself and going, man, I'm at the time, I think it was $3.25 an hour I was making as a dishwasher, Hey, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. I love this house. I love the, man, I sure would love to live on a golf course one day. Anything you need, just let me know. I'm just trying to figure it out, right? Those are little things that I learned as a kid, by the way, great advice for a kid, but that we could still use in our careers today. I still use it in my career today.
Yeah.
Little things like that. Again, it's like just because you got a box of Legos doesn't mean you got to build it like the picture on the box.
Right.
And a lot of times that picture looks good, but it could look a lot better.
Yeah.
Right? Like life doesn't have, wherever Legos come from, Germany or wherever, I don't know. Life doesn't have designers making the set to be aesthetically really nice, right? Life doesn't hand you the Lego Death Star or the Bugatti or whatever the cool set is. Life just hands you sometimes a bunch of crap.
Yeah.
Right? But you can take those pieces and move them around. It's just a matter of figuring out how things work and circling back to everything we just talked about, sitting with the dang problem.
Yep.
Give me 4 minutes, people. If you're watching this podcast, give me just 4. That's all I'm asking for. After you stop listening to this, by the way, hit like, share it to a friend, pass it along. But then take 4 minutes and think about the thing that's upsetting you the most, where you feel like you've been cheated, you feel like you've been slighted, you feel like you've been dealt a bad hand, and go, how could I approach this differently? You might not come up with a better answer.
Yeah.
But you might. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.